The Pomodoro technique is really effective when it comes to time management. So what exactly is it? Basically, you have 25 minutes worth of work and you have a 5-minute break. So for example, let's say when I'm making these videos, what I'll do is I'll be making videos for 25 minutes. Then what I'll do is I'll lie down for 5 minutes, close my eyes with the lights off and just relax. Now doing this is really effective, and it allows me to create content a lot better, and it allows me to come back with a little bit more focus. So you can do pretty much anything in these breaks. You can maybe have a cup of tea, a cup of coffee. You can, for example, do what I do, lie down, relax, light a stick of incense, maybe even take some time to just meditate. So close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out. But doing this allows you to go backwards and forwards from your different tasks and do it in a way where you come back with a little bit refreshed every single time, and you're not overdoing it, you're not overstraining, and you're less likely to suffer from burnout. So it's absolutely integral to have some understanding of this because it will really help you.